Are you looking for the best car stereos with Bluetooth GPS in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best car stereos with Bluetooth GPS that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Hekate Android One DIN Car Stereo 7-inch Flip-Out Touch. You can comfortably travel to the unknown as long as you have this car stereo installed, since it has inbuilt Wi-Fi that supports GPS. The screen on this stereo measures 7 inches large, and it can flip for convenient reach and operational. Although the stereo has Bluetooth connection mode, it also supports the USB and RCA input/output ports, so you can connect with other gadgets. The stereo has the mirror link and backup camera input that supports multiple Android versions and iOS devices. Number 4. SWTNVIN Car Stereo for Toyota. This car stereo works with all Toyota RAV4 cars ranging from 2006 to 2012 models. It has 2 GB RAM and 32 GB RAM to save multiple contents, including music and contacts. This stereo supports the Wi-Fi connection, so you can use it to navigate the GPS when finding roads or locations. It supports a backup camera for excellent viewing when reversing your car, mainly in congested or unknown areas. The stereo support FM radio, DVD and DVT. Number 3. Viabex 9 inches Android 10.0 car radio with Bluetooth. If your budget allows, consider this car stereo for your car model. You can connect this car stereo with other devices to play music, and it has inbuilt FM with preset stations to keep up with the world news. The stereo has the latest 5.0 Bluetooth connection that takes a few seconds to connect with other phones. The inbuilt Wi-Fi ensures you can use the stereo for online jobs like navigating the GPS. The touch screen design, plus the large 10-inch screen, guarantees an easy time when operating the stereo. Number 2. 2022 newest double DIN car stereo, Android 10 radio with Bluetooth. Do you have an Android phone? No problem. Get this car stereo to make your work easy. You can integrate the stereo with your phone for easy picking calls, and it has inbuilt GPS to find your ways when lost on the road. Still, this quality car stereo support camera backup for saving your trip escapes and has inbuilt Wi-Fi for easy and fast connection in case you want to the hotspot. This car stereo has large storage space, so you can download multiple apps that you feel you will need while on the move. Number 1. 2022 double DIN car stereo, Android 10 radio with. You don't need to struggle to balance driving and pick up your calls while on the road. You need a car stereo model like the double DIN, and you will be safe. This car stereo has a Bluetooth connection, so you can integrate it with your phone to pick calls. It has a touch screen mode that ensures you have a smooth time when picking calls through it. The 10-inch screen display ensures you have an easy peek of the setting icons so you can make a quick selection. Traveling to unknown areas in your car? Worry not, since this car stereo supports both online and offline navigation so you can find your way. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.